My name is Sean. I'm gonna show you some Qigong today. So in Qigong, you have different stances. You typically stand shoulder width apart here, which are, slight bend in your knees, roll your shoulder back, and this is considered, it's called Wuji posture or empty posture, but it's also called human posture because this is kind of how a human would stand, okay? Now, if you're familiar with martial arts, you might have heard about a horse stance before. That goes a little further out, so we step a little further out, maybe a little further out, and we bend the knees and we just kind of sink down here. And this is called, earth posture in some traditions, but it's also in martial arts they call it a horse stance. Some moves you would do and some traditional forms would be things like the archer would be something like when you come back, your arms come together, and then you push out and you look to your side. You look to your side, you come back, and you look to the other side. Breathing in and out. Breathing in and out. One of my teachers used to say this is a good form for kind of owning your power. If you kind of want to feel a little bit more empowered in your life, just kind of go into this stance here and just do this little archer mode here. Because she would say, hey, no one messes with the archer. Okay. Another way to do that is, in your horse stance here, you kind of come to the side, you kind of brush your arm up, and you kind of pull. So I got I'm notched like my bow here, elbow kind of up, look to the side there. Okay. Then my arm goes around, and we look to the other side. And we're doing our archer stance here. Okay. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. And out. Breathe in and out. Breathe in and out. Now, if your legs are getting a little tired, by all means, move them, shift them, and things like that, okay? But I'm going to show you another movement, okay? So going back into our horse stance, and that first movement was from the Eight Brocades, or 8 treasures of silk. And this next movement is also from the Eight Brocades. They call it like looking with a steely gaze or a warrior gaze, okay? So basically you kind of bring your arms up and you look to the side and you make like you're making a posture to punch. So you hold like that and you look down at the ground, okay? Okay, then you relax, you breathe in, go to the other side and you kind of clench, okay? Look down, okay. So I'm letting my arms go aside, I'm breathing in, I'm clenching, I'm exhaling. Okay, I'm going to breathe in as my arms go up and to the side. Exhale, clench. Look down, just kind of getting your muscles involved and relax them. I'm going to go to the other side. And breathe. Let's clench. Let go, relax. Tension and release. There's a time to be tense. There's a time to let go. Okay. And traditionally you would do that 8 times on each side, and then you would pull back and you do a soft little punch. Soft little punch. Like you're pushing a mountain. You're basically saying like, hey, this is my space. Coming back. This is my space. Okay. If you kind of hit a mountain's coming too close, I'm going to push you back, mountain. Pushing you back a little bit. This is my space here. And back. And you're just going to get a nice little stretch of your arms. You can breathe naturally as you're doing this, or you can breathe out as you push. Whatever feels better for you. So how you would end this movement, it's a 3-part movement. So you're in your horse stance, you're at the side here, you clench, you go to the other side, you clench, okay, release, then you push softly, push softly, push softly, okay, then you throw like 18 punches here. So, okay, so this can be more vigorous here, but don't hurt yourself. And you can do it in basically 2 breaths. Okay, so it looks something like this. So you can breathe in, and then you just throw those fists, okay? come in and you relax. You can come out of horse stance, shake it off if you want to. Okay, and a good closing movement is just to let your hands go down, up to the sky, and pull it back in. Go down to the sky, back into you. So salute the earth, salute the sky, salute yourself. Okay, let's do one more. Thank you.